Hey guys, welcome back this video. And second part is continue. If could even be writing product, listing or transferring product from one online store to another online store. So typically with data entry you do not really need experience in anything, but you will need to have a high attention to detail, especially if you are copying over important financial number or product name. Think like that it usually need to match exactly what the client is giving you. So it's super important that you are able to actually take that and make sure that it is exactly the same when you are transferring it whenever it need to go. So even with data entry job, I would try to look on somewhere like Upwork first. There are also something called Amazon Mechanical Turk, but I found that really just live rip-off. You barely make any money off it. People who are posting on there do not really want to pay for quality work. So going with Upwork, you are going to get a better rate and you are going to able to charge 15 or more. It really you get your own rate and you change that you want the next video. That would be good for pretty much anyone from their early teens to their late 20s would be a social media manager. Now I use the word manager in the quotes because there are a lot of courses and just spamming looking thing out there where people are like, I'll take you be a social media manager for only $2,000 a week and you make $10,000, $11,000 a week. No, do not do that, but you can make money managing people's social media account, and usually this is going to be for an influencer, someone who trying to become an influencer or some sort of brand or e-commerce store. But you could even do this for local business like different restaurants, or maybe you now like a dentist or that want to post social media but do not necessarily have time to do it themselves.